Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have some jewelry today. That's right, my Earfleek showed up and I got friend mail. So we're gonna find out what's my monthly earrings and who sent me friend mail today. I can't wait to find out, and we'll find out together in just a minute. But let me welcome everybody to my channel. I really appreciate it when you have an opportunity to stop by, even if it's just once a week, twice a week, every day, whenever it is. Just leave me a comment and I'll be sure and get back with you. I really appreciate all my subscriber friends, and if you're new here, I want to ask you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And right now we're going to get into the Earfleek. Earfleek is a monthly subscription of earrings. This is a great gift. It's inexpensive, $3.94. You can have a pair of earrings each month, or you could gift it to someone each month. They're very cute. You can get the cute style, the classic style, the boho, minimalist, and I think they have a couple other styles. But I usually try to go toward the classic, and they always send it in this nice little envelope, and inside this envelope we have the pink envelope Earfleek, and inside here we have our earrings for the month. And I do have a discount. I think it gets you like $1.94 off, so you could get your first pair for practically half price. Now this month our Earfleek earrings is called Grisé. Is that Grisé or Grissy or Gris or Grass? Anyways, it says add a pop of gray with one gris hoop and channel your inner Scandinavian cool girl, and pair these with black or camel sweater, high-waisted jeans, and glowy skin. So, oh yeah, we like some glowy skin, and hey, I've got a little bit of gray on today. These would work out perfect with what I have on. Let's take a look. I've never gotten a big pair of earrings from them. This is the biggest pair I think I've ever gotten. And they seal it with a little bit of plastic there, but you can see these kind are the kind that you pop back. And they almost look like a blue gray. So I don't even know if they're really gray. To me, this would be blue. What do you guys think? I mean, I think they look blue, but maybe it's deceiving. But look at the detail on there. Can you see the little ribs on there? That's really cool. I really like those. So, I don't know how difficult they'd be to put on. Let's try one on. Oh wow, those are big hoops, aren't they? They kind of go with what I've got on. They look blue to me. Maybe that's the color they're supposed to be. It says gray, a pop of gray. I don't know. Is it just my imagination, or are they blue? Oh, I don't know. I mean, it's fun. I like big hoops anyways. I like big hoops better than small. And there I have them on. But I'm telling you, they don't look gray. They look blue to me. So I don't know. I don't know where they get the idea that they're gray. So y'all let me know. Is it coming off blue to you, or is it coming off gray? Because they're definitely coming off blue to me. And I will tell you the value of these, and they do give you the little retail price. It's $15.99, and because I get a 6-month subscription, these cost me about $2. You get a discount when you subscribe for a longer time with your subscription. So hey, I think this was pretty nice. And like I said, I don't know if those are gray, but we're going to carry on here. Now I have some friend mail. I went to my mailbox today and I had 2 packages. And we're going to open this up and see who it's from. And that's all empty. And inside here there are some cards. And it says, a gift for you. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for all you do. Sorry so late, she says. I enjoy all you do, from Dee Dee Fisher. And if you guys don't know Dee Dee, her name is Wilma to you. I think it's after one of her cats, but Dee Dee is her name, and she has sent me a gift. And she had told me she was going to send a gift a while back, and life happens, and I don't know what's in here, but that's Dio Sky. Is that how you say that? Let's find out what we have here. And I believe the other package is from Dee Dee too, because she told me, she sent me a little email saying that there was going to be a couple of packages. And they have arrived today. Let's find out what this one is. It's got a little bag. And let's see what this is. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, Dee Dee, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. It says friendship. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. And it's got like a leaf. And it looks like it's jewel toned. Oh, that is beautiful. It says, people come into your life for a reason, a season, or a lifetime. The friends we keep for a lifetime grow with us through the seasons. When I needed compassion, you warmed my spirit without judgment. When I needed grace, you were a spring of forgiveness. When I needed encouragement, you reminded me of the times that I blossomed. When I was about to fall, you lifted me to my feet and reminded me that true friends grow tall together. You are a friend for a lifetime. Oh my goodness, Dee Dee. That is so sweet. Oh my goodness, thank you. That is so beautiful and such a sweet sentiment. And it says better clean on there. Does that mean like these are clean sheets? It says silver polishing cloth. Oh my goodness. It came with a silver, so this is silver. Oh my goodness, Dee Dee, that is so cool. And it even sends you a polishing cloth. That is wonderful. Tells you how to do it on the back side for each language. That is just wonderful. And then if you were gifting this out, I want you to see how special this is. It comes in its own little box, and it has like a little pull tab, and it would go right down in this little purse, this little bag, and then it is a nice little gift. So that is so cute. And the product was with love, and it even comes with a card. And of course we know that she had to do her card through Amazon, but isn't that just so sweet? So in this package we've got a with love card, and we already know what she has written for it, and I will have to paste that on there and keep it as a keepsake. That is just so beautiful, Dee Dee. And this necklace is just gorgeous. I need to just take mine off right now and put it on. Let's see how it looks. Oh, you guys, bear with me. I have to take this one off. But let's try this on. Let's see how it looks. Oh, this is beautiful. Friendship. Dee Dee, you are just a wonderful friend. Thank you. I got it on, I think. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. And now I feel like I need to take these earrings off and put my silver earrings back on, because this don't even look right with it. But I'm going to put these earrings back on. These will go much better with my necklace. Oh, Dee Dee, I just love that. And I love this friendship message on this package. This is just beautiful. And thank you. You have been such a wonderful friend too. And I have really loved getting to know you. And this is just oh so sweet. And I'm going to put all this together. Just like I said, I'm going to paste that on there and keep that as a sentiment. That is so nice. And this necklace is so pretty. And then I have another package here. She said she sent me two. So since we know the first one's from Dee Dee, I'm sure the second one is from Dee Dee too. And she is a subscriber to many of us, so not just me. She supports a lot of our channels. And you know, when we had the 2022 Gratitude Awards, Stephanie and Bonnie also recognized subscribers. And actually it was not, they were nominated by all of us of their support of our channels. And Dee Dee was one of those supporters. So she, like I said, she's been supporting many of us for quite some time, and it's Wilma to you. And that is a sentiment to one of her cats that she had. Her name was Wilma. And then she has sent another package here. It says, a gift for you. It says, thank you for my winnings. I love them, my friend. Like the serum, you are free to share some if you want to, from Dee Dee Fisher. Oh, okay. And what she sent are masks. So she's saying that I can share these with you guys. You know how we'll have like Mask Mondays or we'll have giveaways and we'll put masks in there? Well, she sent a pack of masks. That is so sweet. Thank you. This first one on top is seaweed. I want to get inside this package. Okay, it looks like there might be 12 in here. Oh my goodness, let's see what's in it. And it says assorted. So we have a seaweed mask that is, I'm sure, for hydrating. It's got algae marines in it. Ooh, that sounds really good. It's a powerful sea vegetable, helps nourish and detoxify the skin. Effective anti-aging ingredients. Regenerate cells and revitalize skin with rejuvenating properties. And then we have aloe vera, and we all know how well aloe vera is for our skin. This has extracts to help radiate with vibrant glow, and it helps with dry skin and improves moisture. So we have aloe, we have I don't know how to say that, acai berry. And I'm going to just move right along. A vitamin C, which I'm going to love this. This helps brighten the skin. We have a collagen. This will help get rid of some of my wrinkles. All right, that's going to be great. Ooh, and we got a ginseng. This here is going to tone and tighten the skin, and it helps with anti-aging process to achieve a bright complexion. So that's going to be good. Oh, and a honey one. Honey masks are great. This removes impurities from the pores and helps retain moisture to radiate. Oh my goodness. And then we have an avocado. Here I said I wasn't going to read them, and I'm reading a little bit about it. But it revitalizes your skin, helps retain moisture for a radiant and shiny skin. It nourishes and balances. Wow. Pomegranate. This here is antioxidants, and it is extracts that renews and regenerates. Then we have a cucumber, and this one here is for antioxidants too, and it combats wrinkles and damaged skin, and it helps produce for soft and supple skin. We have a charcoal, and I'm sure this one is to get impurities and detoxifies the skin, smooths for a glowing complexion, and minimizes pores. And then the last one is a tea tree, and this refreshes tired skin and reduces signs of strain and fatigue, and tones and energizes while providing a tightening effect. So that is just cool. 12 masks. Dee Dee, this was very generous. Thank you so much for these masks, and if I do share them, they'll be well appreciated. But I'll have to say I'm interested in trying each and every one of them myself, but I still may share some. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, Dee Dee. You are such a good friend, and I appreciate you, and I love my little friendship necklace, and I'm going to love wearing that. I'm going to think of you every time I do, and thank you. That is just so sweet. So guys, that is my friend mail. Isn't that wonderful? Wasn't that so sweet of Dee Dee to send? And these masks are just excellent, all of them. They all have a specific use, and they're going to help tighten and tone my face, which, you know, that's what we want to do on our Mask Mondays. And of course, I need to do that every day, and now I have enough masks to do it for, almost 2 weeks. So that'd be great. All right, guys. Again, Dee Dee, thank you. I appreciate you. And guys, I just want to say I appreciate all my subscriber friends. And I guess I get a loss for words, because I never thought going into this that I would develop so many friendships, and it's so wonderful. And I just want y'all to know that I do appreciate the comments. I do appreciate our friendships that we have going. We learn each other through the comments, and that is so important to me. And I hope that it's important to you. And just to know that I really, truly do appreciate you, and I love you guys. And Dee Dee, I love you, and I love this necklace, and I just can't believe you took the time to send this over to me. But I do say thank you again. All right, guys, that's all I have. I have my Earfleeks. Let me know what you think about these blue earrings, because they certainly don't look gray. I'll have my information in the description on where you might could subscribe to Earfleek, and be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways and our collaborations. I have a Valentines collaboration coming up soon if it's not already out, and they'll all have giveaways, and I have one coming out on the 18th, and it's a nice little different kind of collaboration, so be sure and be on the lookout for that. I don't want to give away say anything because I'm not the leader of this one. And so I'm waiting for her to give us the go ahead on that. But I'm looking forward to it. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.